Welcome guys, this is Peter Gregorian's video. Again, say hello to me in the mirror. So today we're gonna have deals with my father's MacBook Air, and we will reinstall OS X Mountain Lion, and then we'll skip to macOS High Sierra using this bootable drive. So we will just use it in usual purposes. So meanwhile, I will tell you that I've started up this recovery assistant via combination Shift, Alt, Command R. So you need to hold it at the same time as directly after you started up your Mac. So now let's get started. First of all, so it has been used before, and yeah, here's the Big Sur, and my father wanted to downgrade because it was bad here, and it was installed manually, not via computer. It was just here was just the replacement of drivers and so on. So first of all, before installing a new operational system, if you're downgrading, first of all you need to open disk utility and erase the bin drive. So it has a default name untitled. Let's name it Macintosh SSD. Click erase. The disk has one partition, it's not visible, but we'll mount it. Let's erase. So now it fully erases the macOS which stood there, and this drive is empty. So now let's go to installation. Anyway, if we won't succeed in this case, we will just go directly to bootable install of macOS Sierra. So continue. Here goes on everything. Here. Let's place it on Macintosh SSD. Apple recommends that you plug in and connect your power, but we don't want. Moreover, computer will start automatically. Oh, he downloads. He started his loading. Here is a minute remaining. Let's just click space for him not to leave the screen. Yeah. So directly after this line will go to the end. So there is left. Oh, some seconds are left. He'll just get the restart and we will enter the setup assistant. So look, he has started the second more secure installation, so then he has installed the plugin, and now he'll install the system which we will just fill in with our data. So here will be iCloud and everything like this. So in this system, oh look, here's the next sign, traditional wallpaper for all recoveries. So now he has just downloaded it from the internet, and now he just installed it on our Macintosh SSD. So we have 20 minutes, a bit less now than 20 minutes. So, and I really like it. The first time when I succeed to make the internet recovery. So, in all systems, anyway now, we are indexing. Basically, you can see here indexing. So Spotlight indexes all the system before we can start using it. Using Spotlight, I mean. So here we go. Let's just check it out. OS X. Let's get more info. That is MacBook Air. So OS X 7.85, Intel HD graphics. So everything is okay. So here we go.